What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use the edge panel task panel shortcut functions in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open the edge panel. Now open the task panel and then tap on edit. So now this is the task panel. So first of all, add shortcuts to the task panel. So you can add different types of shortcuts like add a detailed calendar date or search calendar, camera shortcuts, clock, contacts, email, and so many shortcuts. So if you want to add a shortcut to make a phone call, then go to the phones section and tap on make calls. Now select a contact and then it will create a shortcut to make a phone call to that contact immediately. So like this. You can also select a send message shortcut. You can also create a contact shortcut, add alarm shortcut, video shortcut, and so many shortcuts. So after adding shortcuts, just simply go back to your home screen, and now to use those shortcuts that you have added to the task panel on the edge panels, open the edge panel task panel, and from here if you want to make a phone call, then click on the phone call icon and then it will make a phone call. So that's how you can use the task panel on the edge panel in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.